Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn. Activity 41, Standard 8 English Bridge Course. This activity helps you to enrich your vocabulary through word building. Word formation, शब्दों का गठन. दिए गए रूट वर्ड्स को प्रीफिक्स या सफिक्स ऐड करना है और नए शब्द बनाने हैं. आपका शब्द संग्रह इस एक्टिविटी से एनरिच होने वाला है, बढ़ने वाला है. यह एक्टिविटी करते हुए आपको बेस वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं, प्रीफिक्सेस और सफिक्सेस के टाइप्स पता चलने वाले हैं. साथ ही साथ आपको एफिक्सेशन मीनिंगफुली और अप्रोप्रिएटली करने की मैक्सिमम प्रैक्टिस करना है. रूट वर्ड में होने वाले चेंजेस आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं और कट इट, ग्रो इट एंड यूज इट जैसे एक्टिविटीज़ आपको रीफ्रेम करनी है. और इसी तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ आपको खुद से तैयार करनी है. लिसन टू द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली, फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस एज पर सजेस्टेड गाइडलाइंस, go on searching, explore more activities related to this activity. In the learning activity, you have to draw fishes on a chart paper. In the fishes, write down root words, then attach prefixes and suffixes to the given root words properly. Suffixes and prefixes like im, be, able, dis, and then write down the words in the body of that fish. Stick the fishes on the wall. Root word cycle. New word bicycle, by prefix added to it. Possible root word. Impossible new word. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Value, able suffix added to it, valuable. Go on sticking the fishes like this in your notebooks. What is a prefix? Prefix means to fix before. शब्द के पहले जोड़ना. Prefixes are placed in front of a word to change the meaning of the word. दिया हुआ रूट वर्ड उसे जब आप कुछ लेटर्स का ग्रुप जोड़ते हो उस शब्द से पहले तो नए शब्दों का फॉर्मेशन होता है. साइकिल, बाइसिकल. काइंड, अनकाइंड. पॉसिबल, इम्पॉसिबल. इस तरह से. What is a suffix? Suffix is placed at the end of a word. शब्द के बाद जोड़े जाने वाला प्रत्यय. स्लो, ly जोड़ा, slowly. Care, full suffix added to it, carefully. Happy, happily. Value, valuable. Now you have to choose the correct prefixes and suffixes from the given bracket and join it to the given root words. Root words are diction. New word, dictionary, ARY added to it. Happy से happily, ly suffix added. Fortune से ATE suffix added, fortunate. Pay, repay, RE prefix is added to it. Enjoy, enjoyment. Help, helpful. Sense, opposite words by adding non prefix to it, nonsense. Then here you have some prefixes in the bank of prefix and some suffixes in the bank of suffix. There are many more prefixes and suffixes, but here some words are given, so add proper prefix or suffix to make a new word. Disappear. Appear is the root word. Dis prefix is added to it. Punish. Root word punishment. added suffix to it, ment, noun. Happy, un prefix is added, opposite word, unhappy. Care, noun, root word. Careful, adjective, ful, suffix is added to it. Then two words are given here, unstable and happiness. What are the root words? Stable is the root word, un prefix added to it, the new word unstable. Happiness, root word is happy. In the practice activity, cut it, grow it and use it. If there is any affixation in the given word, remove it and write the root word. Then add prefix and suffix to the root word and then frame a sentence using the root word or the new word which is formed by affixation. Honest, kind, play, help and construct. See here. Honest. New words, honestly, honesty, dishonest. Suffixes ly and y is added. Prefix dis and add to honest. We get a new word, dishonest. Rohan is a very honest boy. Framing the sentence. Kind, kindly, kindness, unkind. Kindness towards all animals should be taught since childhood. Play. New words framed, player, playful, display. He is a player in Olympic Games. Help. Helping. Helpful, helpless, helper. I am feeling helpless today. Construct. Construction, constructive, affixation. And the framing sentence, the construction of the building is going on. Students, continue this activity. Find words from your textbook and repeat. Cut it, grow it, use it. Do this activity to enrich your vocabulary. In the evaluation, you have to write a root word at the base of this tree. Think of as many prefixes and suffixes as you can add to the root word and write the new words in the leaves of the tree. I have drawn a web here. Happy is the root word. Happiness, happily, unhappy, happier, unhappiness, happiest, unhappily are the new words from the root word happy. I have added prefixes and suffixes to the root word happy. Write down all these words in the tree diagram. Go on Diksha video with the given links here to find out videos explaining word formation. Today you have learned the skill of using prefixes and suffixes to understand the meaning of a word. You have learned to describe the function of root words and affixes. You have learned to create new words by adding affixes to the root word. Practice with more and more root words, prefixes and suffixes. Enrich your vocabulary. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.